Namaste to all. In this short audio, we will understand some questions concerning Gayatri Mantra. I would rather describe as misconceptions about Gayatri Mantra. So this needs some clarification basically, and I have already made this video in Tamil for the viewers to understand, but I thought of making in English as well. The first question is that Gayatri Mantra, some people are saying that we cannot offer ahutis of Gayatri Mantra in the Homagunda basically. So the answer to this is Gayatri Mantra is a Ved Mantra first of all, and it is in Gayatri Chand, that is why it is called as Gayatri Mantra. The other meaning of Gayatri is Ga-tri. Ga means prana, pran, and 3 means to cross. That means by doing pranayamam to cross the ocean of sorrows. That means to attain enlightenment. This mantra is very much used in the pranayama. That is why it is also very famous as Gayatri Mantra. So to offer ahutis with Ved mantras is an order by Almighty God in Yajurveda as well as Samveda, that whenever you offer ahutis in the burning fire, it has to be only with Ved mantras. God does not accept us to do ahutis of Tulasi Ramayana or Valmiki Ramayana or Bhagavad Gita or any other man-made books. This is not acceptable by Almighty God, and God has told that you can put any ahutis of Ved mantras, and Gayatri Mantra is a Ved Mantra, so obviously we can put and we should put ahutis of Gayatri Mantra. In fact, my Acharya always says that if you do not know the entire procedure of everyday Homa, then at least start to put ahutis with Gayatri Mantra. Do Achaman and chant Gayatri Mantra and start putting ahutis. I have made the procedure of how to do simple Gayatri Homa in my channel in English, Hindi and Tamil, and also Gujarati and Telugu. Request you to go to the playlist, and in the playlist Havan Homa Yajna. In that you can find the procedure in the various languages basically. So the next misconception or the next question is ladies should not chant Gayatri Mantra. Can ladies chant Gayatri Mantra is a common question, and some of the people are saying ladies should not chant. Basically, Vedas have been emanated by Almighty God. Vedas knowledge have been given by Almighty God to the soul, not to the body. Body is a non-alive matter. Body cannot understand Vedas. It is the soul which understands the Vedas through the medium of body. So the Vedas are called as Brahmanyana, Atmanyana. This knowledge is given to the soul basically. So soul is neither male nor female. It is body which is male or female, etc. So ladies should chant Gayatri Mantra. Ladies should listen Vedas. Ladies are entitled to listen Vedas completely. I have made a detailed video on this. You can go to my channel, and under the playlist you can go to women, and all the common misconceptions about women I have clarified there. And there is no restriction for ladies to chant Gayatri Mantra or do ahutis or put ahutis in the burning fire. In fact, even in the menstruation time, even in the cycle periods, ladies should not stop the worship of Almighty God by daily Homa. So the Homa should continue even in those times. That is the importance given to the everyday Homa. So ladies should chant, ladies can chant Gayatri Mantra. There is no harm in this. And also there is another question or a common misconception. Some people have been saying that you cannot chant Gayatri Mantra loudly. You can chant it in your mind but not loudly, because it is a very secretive and powerful mantra. This has been a question running around. I would like to clarify that whenever we offer ahutis in the burning fire in the Homakunda, we have to chant loudly the mantra. So Gayatri Mantra, of course, it is very true that Gayatri Mantra also has to be meditated upon, because the mantra itself says Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Dhimahi means sitting in the dhyana, sitting in the meditation. We chant the Gayatri Mantra by sitting in the meditation. So Gayatri Mantra should be chanted by sitting in meditation as well, where we will not speak out loudly, but whereas when we sit in the front of Havan Kund to offer ahutis in the burning fire, then we have to chant loudly. And the fourth one is Gayatri Mantra is actually given by Vishwamitra to the world. Vishwamitra Maharishi to the world. So this is again another, this is not true statement. Gayatri mantra is a Ved mantra which emanates from Almighty God, like all the other Ved mantras. The Rishi of the mantra is Vishwamitra, because see, basically Rishis, if we read the Samhitas of today, then we will have Rishis. Rishis means the name of those Rishis who have explained the meaning of that mantra has been given as a title of the mantra, like this mantra Rishi is Vishwamitra, this mantra Rishi is Atharva, this mantra Rishi is Vasishtha, etc. But that does not mean that that Rishi is the founder of Gayatri mantra. No. Gayatri mantra is the Ved mantra, but that Rishi probably was the first Rishi who expounded the meaning, or who told the meaning, or who documented the meaning of the mantra. So that is why it is famous in the Rishi's name. But Vishwamitra Rishi did not write the Gayatri mantra, or did not found the Gayatri mantra. Gayatri mantra is part of Vedas only. Gayatri mantra is available in 3 Vedas, Rig, Yajur and Samaveda. And last but not least, one more misconception people have in mind is Gayatri mantra used to be a bigger mantra earlier, and now it is a shorter version which is available because some of the words which are so powerful have been deleted over a period of time. This is another misunderstanding people have in their mind. To clarify, no, this is a wrong statement. Gayatri mantra was ever unchanged. Even today also it is the same Gayatri mantra which originates inside the heart of a Rishi in a Samadhi. Many of the Samadhist yogi have meditated upon Gayatri mantra throughout their life, and also have achieved realization of Almighty God, and have confirmed that this is the Gayatri mantra which is in full, and it is not having any, the current version of Gayatri mantra what we know is not a shorter version of the original one. No, this is wrong. And being a Vedic student, I am learning Vedas from my Acharya for several years. My Acharya also has confirmed that Gayatri mantra what is available today is the original version basically. So I hope you got some clarity. And my Acharya always used to say that Gayatri mantra is so special to all the Rishi Munis because it contains Stuti, Prarthana, Upasana in one single mantra. In fact, in Vedas only it is Gayatri mantra which has got all these 3 aspects of worship, Stuti, Prarthana, Upasana. So it is very, very special to all the Rishi Munis, and by chanting, by meditating upon Gayatri mantra, we can achieve so much progress in the spiritualistic dimension basically. I request you all to go through the channel and understand the meaning of Gayatri mantra, and as well as the procedure to do daily Homa with Gayatri mantra. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.